What is up, you guys? Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Jordan Ware, and if you didn't already know, I recently decided to move from Canada to Mexico. So I'm just going to start some daily vlog series, and this is going to be one of the first installments. So without much further ado, let's get into it. Okay. So I arrived here at Zihuatanejo. That's how you pronounce it. It's in Mexico. It's right by Ixtapa, which is a pretty popular place, Ixtapa. So you may have heard of that. As you can see behind me, there's lots of cool art and stuff. Plenty of interesting things around the city. Definitely a lot of cultural stuff that's pretty cool. One of the things that I've been having a hard time with, since I got here has been dieting, though, a little bit. The food's a little bit different. The MyFitnessPal app doesn't work on everything down here, so I've had to create a couple of things, and it took me just a day, but then I found a gym. Most places are closed here on Sundays, so Sunday is going to be one of my rest days, right? But yeah. See the beautiful basketball court behind me. Plenty of interesting things to do. It's so hot out because it's summer here right now. So it's almost 30 degrees. There's some shade again. And this is the shirt that I wear when I want to limit my sun exposure, because I'm not trying to get burnt and then not really be able to go do anything for a week or so. It's happened before and it kind of sucks, right? I've been down to the pier. Show you guys what that looks like. Haven't done too much else yet since being here, though. You know, there's been a lot of changes in Canada recently. I'm hearing that Ontario has a provincial travel ban, so that kind of sucks. I guess I got out, luckily, kind of just in time, right? Because I wouldn't have been able to fly through America, which there were a couple flights there. What is it? American Airlines or something. They're stopping over in Texas before going to Cancun. But yeah, so if you are in Canada, make sure you drop a comment there. Let me know, just an emoji or something. I'd love to know kind of where my viewers are from. And if you haven't noticed, the audio here is, I got a lapel mic, so thanks to everyone who suggested that for me. Really appreciate the feedback. Big shout out to kind of everyone that has been following the channel and helping it grow, right? But I'm just gonna cut out for a second here because I just got to the store, right? So I'm getting a few snacks and some rolling papers. Yeah, so I was able to get a couple different things. One thing that's a bit odd, you might want to know if you are coming here, bring some bags with you, like kind of grocery store travel bags, because basically they don't give them out here, right? But been able to find some great things, like you know, the Coke Zero that I usually drink, still available. It's called Coke Sin Azúcar, so it means with no sugar. I was able to get these cool things, Wappas, so we're gonna find out how those taste as well. Couple things to know as well about coming here. So, I mean, here in Siwa, it's pretty chill. Tons of nice people. It's like a busy fishing town. I've been down to the pier, or whatever you call it, a couple times. It's usually full of people. There's like markets, stuff like that. So lots of cool stuff to do. Obviously, if you're white like me, you probably will get charged a higher price on some things if you're not with like somebody that's local. My buddy actually came with me to the gym today and saved me like almost 200 pesos just by, you know what I mean, kind of talking for me, right? So that's pretty cool. If you're able to have somebody local down here, definitely highly recommend it, right? See a cool ass basketball court again. All right. In Cancun, it's pretty different, pretty bad over there. Like, frig, the airport is probably the place where you're most likely to get hustled, I guess, in either of these places, because the cab ride is about 50 bucks US. And then when I came in here in town, we took a local cab and it was friggin' 25 pesos, which is like $2. So big difference depending on, you know, what you do, what kind of service you take, and stuff like that. Right. But yeah, this is just meant to be a quick little daily vlog, so I don't get out of my habit of posting on YouTube. Let me know in the comments kind of where you're watching from. If you watched all the way to the end of the video, thank you, and I do respond to every single comment. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will be adding a few fitness videos, starting to make those tomorrow, you know, based around my new workout program, and then we're gonna see what else we can do. So if you have any suggestions on videos you'd like me to make while I'm here, make sure you do, please suggest them to me, and then I'll do my best to do something like it. Okay.